Right, well, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, as you can see, the Falcon is in all sorts of pieces, and I have parts just laying around everywhere, and there's still more coming. But we're getting there. We're getting there. As we've seen, we've rolled the guards on it so far. We've checked the wheels. I've got the 265s. They did arrive yesterday, but I don't know, I'm kind of digging the look of a chunky tyre. It just fills out the guards just that little bit more. So yeah, I don't know, I feel kind of confident about it. But on today, the next thing that we're going to do is, let's come for a look, let's come for a walk. We are going to pull this tub off. I don't know if I'd take it off completely, but and reasoning why, if you come have a look, it's, when we go to wrap it, I really want to get around this edge 100%. But it's going to be a little bit hard with how close this tub is to the panel. And not only that, like the mess, the leaf litter in here and the ant's nest is just on another spectrum. So yeah, that's living in Australia for you. So yeah, taking the tub off, it appears not to be the hardest task. It's as simple as grabbing yourself a 13mm ratchet and socket, and then pretty much I'm pretty certain it's got like maybe 8 13mm bolts all around, like one here, 2 there, and a couple of studs at the front, and then yeah, we'll pretty much get the side pods off and then pull it off. So let's get into it, and don't forget, if you're liking this sort of content, press that subscribe button, press the like button, and leave a comment. Let us know what you think of this car. So yeah, let's get into it. This is it. It's yeah, I don't think this tub's ever actually been off before. I should probably actually just use a rattle gun. It would definitely be far easier than using a ratchet, but you never know if these bolts are going to be like stuck or not. But it's good gear wrench, bloody. And look, gear wrench, look at me using your ratchet. You can use it. No, they can use it, I can use it, but bit of sponsorship, mate. It was. So yeah, pretty much that's I think I counted 8 bolts, 8 per side, and that's off there. Oh, you know why it's heavy at the back? The tailgate. Oh no, there must be another bolt holding it on. So you have to take off the tail lights as I want to get the tailgate off, because I think that's gonna hurt our motion in getting this tub off, just the weight of it hanging off the back. I did really want to paint the hinges on it to match the wrap and just clean up the little rusty part a little bit. So yeah, that's all right. It's still not as hard. Like it's pretty simple.
Holy shit!
Alrighty, so we're going to pull off the tailgate here. Now it's just got the 2 bolts here, there and there, sort of focused on my hand there a second, but 2 bolts in there. We've got the steel ropes off of the tub. So yeah, we'll get a couple of hands and we'll lift this off, because this is actually, I reckon probably about 40 kilo, maybe 50, so yeah, make it happen. Yes, something still bolted on. Oh, the ones underneath.
Studs.
Yeah. I don't know if that's...
Is that?
No, that's holding them.
No, that's something else.
So yeah, we're kind of struggling just to get this tub off. Something's holding, so we're just going to jack it up, and I just want to get the wheels off as well, just so that way we don't scratch anything. But something's holding it. I don't know what it is, but this jack is so annoying. Listen to it. Too busy thinking about soggy sales. Your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Yeah, safety first, mate. It's dark and we got the dark shades on, mate. Yeah. That's how you do it, mate. She's right to come off. Whoever welded that bracket on, try again. All right guys, so we are now ready to pull the tub off. Just a few minor inconveniences, but all in all, we're just gonna take it off, lift it, then place it on the wheels over here that we have set up. And then, because I didn't realize that the actual side skirts are Sikaflexed on, so it's a little bit hard to take them off. Ideally, I would have liked to have taken them off, but it's night time and I just want to get this tub off once and for all. It's been a long time coming, so let's make it happen, eh? So far, it's not overly heavy, so we'll see what we can do.
A few moments later.
Ooh.
That end up.
Yeah. Hey, Dad.
He's gonna walk out and see this shit.
Okay. So the tub is now off the ute, and the first thing that we found was this massive hornet's nest. Absolutely huge, but all in all, it's actually pretty good under here. It was tricky trying to get the tub off this, as you would have seen. And then it's a good thing we did take it off, because over time, the leaf buildup under here would have caused some serious sort of rusting. So tub's off. Now we can give this a good clean off. We can put the tub back on. So, wrap and tub. But anyway, cool. All right guys, as we can see, we got the tub off the night before. Now it is just a complete bare chassis, as we can see. So the plan is today, we're gonna give the chassis a complete detail. I know it's not exactly necessary to build a show car, but it is something that I've wanted to do with this car for a little while. And well, to get all the ants out, because I don't want ants crawling all over the car at the show, get out all the spider nests and just maintain the metal of the cab, because it does have a high chance of rusting in the near future. So I thought it's a good time, we'll get the tub off, do that, and then once that's done, I can clean the cab, as I was saying, and then we can, well, get into the wrapping. So let's get into it. We're gonna do a little bit of detailing, and then we can move forward. So let's do it. All right, so I'm gonna be using the Bowden & Zone Mega Wash to give this a snow foam, but before we do that, I think I'm gonna spray some degreaser on it. I don't know why, but I just feel like this needs degreaser. So yeah, I'm just gonna spray everything. I'm not really afraid of hurting anything. I think it's all gonna be okay. If anything, I'll just be cautious around the fuel system, but all in all, it's all made to be some sort of waterproof, right? It drives in the rain, so. Well, this moment I've waited a long time for, so I'm gonna enjoy this and really get into it, I think. So yeah, we're working on this, and this turns up. Yeah, Misfit Mustang. You feel cool or something, or what? Yep. So I don't know if you blokes remember, but she was in one of my videos earlier on. You've owned this car for what, 6 years now?
Yeah.
That's crazy. It's got over 100,000 Ks, I'm pretty sure.
No, it hasn't.
What, 97 or something?
98 and a half.
98 and a half. I got to drive it out to Harvey Bay not so long ago. Yeah, look, we wrapped this bonnet and we're going to be wrapping this. So if we can do this, I'm sure we'll be fine. Let's have a look. There's the clip. Oh yeah. In the middle one. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at all the crud. Look at it. Let's put them there, then I'll clean out the channels. As we can see, as we're going here, the yeah, look, chalk and cheese difference, mate. Chalk and cheese. Trying to get into this corner. Just pushed myself in there. One of the clips stayed there, but it's okay. But chalk and cheese difference, mate. Chalk and cheese.
Woke up in the morning feeling low again. Dressed up in my garment feeling no shame. Sun is up and making me feel whole again. Me, myself and I play in the right game. Take your hesitations, kick it like a ball. Use your intuition, start with something small. Jump into the water, ride that roller coaster. Listen closer, take off all your busters. That's another getting closer, come on.
Alrighty, so far so good. The tub is now completely clean, and I've made the decision that I'm going to pull the side skirts off completely. Originally I was thinking, oh, maybe I won't do it because they are sticker flexed on from Ford all those 20 years ago, and I don't want to run the risk of breaking anything. But I've just done a bit of YouTubing, and you know, I think I can achieve it. Reasons why I'd want to do it. When it comes time to wrapping the vehicle, I think it'll just be a lot easier to not have the skirts on it, to wrap the whole thing and then get the side skirts. Or am I completely wrong? Is it easier to just wrap up the tub and then the side skirts so I don't waste wrap? I don't know, but that's a good question. I don't know.